Hi viewers, welcome to Hotspot programming. Here I'm creating a sample React app with using TypeScript. Okay, I got an issue. See here, it was in React 19. It was not resolving. Okay, so I'm going to resolve this error. Like in JavaScript, I have already solved this error. It is in TypeScript now. It was little bit different. For JavaScript, I'll give video link in description. You can go with there. If you are using JavaScript, it is in TypeScript now. Okay. Yeah, here React is 19, right? React also 19. So 19 is not supporting now. So we are going to uninstall the reactum. Okay, first we have to locate our folder. Okay, npm uninstall react-dom. Okay, it was uninstalled. Now I'm going to install. See here, it was uninstalled, right? Okay, now we are going to install npm install react 18 and react-dom 18. Okay, and then we are going to npm install -g TypeScript. Okay, and then npx tsc init. Okay, then npx tsc build clean. Okay, after this go to tsconfig.js file and copy and remove this code and paste this one. Okay, I'll give this code in description. Okay, I can go there and you can paste the code here, or you can pause this video and you can write this code there. Okay, and go to source folder and app.ts file and comment this second line and ninth line. Okay, yeah, I'll give this command in description. Okay, you can copy there and you can paste here. Okay, then npm start. Yeah, it was working fine. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe Hotspot program. Thank you.